trying to make her stop. And I'm just thinking about several times when we was kids, walking up and down those misty hills. She's a small town pride. Oh, and she sang a song to make the grown men cry. I'm trying to put her out of my mind, but I see her on the TV every night. Maybe I should go to bed and turn out the light. Oh, they never tell you when you grow up, baby, yeah, you grow up so fast. No, they never tell you some things, darling, yeah, some things just don't last. And I could have been the one to be your friend when everything around you, baby, comes crashing in, comes crashing in. She's doing just fine. Yeah, she's up there in the city, got her name in the lights. Sometimes I wonder if the summer will never come to an end. If maybe you and I would be more than friends. Oh, they never tell you when you grow up, baby, yeah, you grow up so fast. No, they never tell you when you grow up, darling, yeah, some things just don't last. No, they never tell you when you grow up, baby, yeah, you grow up so fast. No, they never tell you when you grow up, darling, yeah, some things just don't last. And I could have been the one to be your friend when everything around you, baby, comes crashing in. And I could have been the one to be your friend when everything around you, baby, comes crashing in, 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 comes crashing in. Woke up to the sound of the neighbor's dog howling. Wrapped a couple of pillows around my head. Run my fingers across the ice cold sheets to find your hand. Feel the sun break through the curtains and I get out of bed. Something about the dream I had last night lingers like a feeling that makes you think it might be real. But I remember it was like you, but you were someone else. And I saw spiders lying on the floor, and the imprint pattern on the carpet made it seem like whoever was there had been long gone. And I saw spiders shriveled on the floor, and something like a memory was watching me from the door. walking across the ceiling. Can't seem to figure out what place I'm in. Some kind of terrible secret I can't understand. Gotta get my head straight, 'cause none of this makes any sense. Something about the dream I had last night takes me across the water to a valley of silence, where I can understand what's real or fiction. I saw spiders lying on the floor, and the imprint pattern on the carpet made it seem like whoever was there had been long gone. And I saw spiders shriveled on the floor, and something like a memory was watching me from the door. Oh, how are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found, I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your care.